at the NAB 2013. I'm here for Digital Journal speaking to David from QVL. Could you please tell us a little bit about your setup here?
Yep. We're here, QVL is a systems integrator for WASP 3D in the North American market space. We're here supporting them in their virtual set demonstration here in their booth, along with some of the other real-time graphics that they're showing. And we're providing a demonstration of a jib as well as a single camera setup.
So explain exactly what this setup would be used for.
In this setup you have here, this is traditionally the size and space that most call letter stations would use. What we're trying to demonstrate is how this technology has been mostly available to large networks, is really approachable by the small corporate, independent, and call letter station market space. So this is a small green screen that we use to key out and replace with graphics being generated by a real-time engine being driven by the cameras.
Question, you have a very big setup here for a studio. Is there a setup that could be done at a smaller scale, like a portable scale?
Yes, exactly. There is the opportunity to do that because the technology that we're using at the call letter station market space, based on their budgets and size and stuff like that, can actually be used for outdoor broadcasting and mobile applications as well. The heads themselves are quite small and they're very transportable by one individual. It takes about an hour or two to set up and get your reference points within the space that you're working with, and then you're able to have the camera tracking. The green screen that you see here is a hard installation, but there are portable green screens from companies like ProPsych that you can go ahead and set up very easily.
So the cameras that you'd use, they need to be encoded, or?
The cameras themselves aren't encoded. The head that you're using, yep, and the lens have to be encoded. But the cameras, you can use just about any camera that can accept a 1/2 or 3/4 inch lens, just a typical E&G broadcast lens. What's been changing over the last couple of years is that the encoders themselves are becoming ingrained in the head. They're built into the head themselves and into the lenses, which means you don't have to have a lot of external components hanging out. Much easier to handle and much more robust for those kind of mobile applications.
Where can someone who might be interested find out more about this?
Well, you can go to our website, www.qvizlabs.com. We're based in Charleston, South Carolina, and we have knowledge of all the integration components necessary to do this kind of virtual set capability.
Thank you very much for taking the time to be interviewed.
Thank you very much.